Library Quick Guide to Searching for Electronic Journals. Searching for electronic journals. It would be useful to log into your college Gmail account before starting to search for an electronic journal, as it will make it quicker to access it online. Your tutors will usually recommend specific journals or academic magazines that will be useful for your subject. If you're not sure which journal would be useful, you can go to the Study Skills section of Moodle and use the Quick Links page. These journal links are updated by the college librarians and link to recommended reading for your courses. You can also use the Athens online resources to find journals and databases for your subject. Ask your librarians or check the YouTube channel for a help guide on how to do this. You can also use the basic search in the library catalogue to find journals. If you know the name of the journal, go to the search box at the top, type it in and click search. If the library subscribes to the journal, it will show up in the search results. Click on the title and the journal record will open. Click on the hyperlink in the middle of the screen and get access to the journal online. Each journal website will be organised in a slightly different way, but they'll all allow you to read online, download or print up to one article per issue. If you're not sure of the journal title, you can always type in some subject keywords into the basic search and the results will list journal titles and electronic articles that contain those keywords. If you need more library resources and help, there are a few things you can do. You can go to the library YouTube channel and see more how-to videos. You can use the study guides in Moodle or the guides on the new Google Sites portal. You can email the library team at libraryros@gllm.ac.uk or you can send us a message on Twitter @Clondrichlolib.